A nucleic acid has three parts: a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogen-containing group. The two most prominent nucleic acids are RNA and DNA. Both RNA and DNA have four bases. The bases of RNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. And the four bases of DNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Essentially, the function of RNA is to transfer genetic information. And in order to do that, there's mRNA, which stands for messenger RNA, and that carries the genetic information from the nucleus to the chloroplast. And the function of DNA is to essentially store the genetic material of a certain individual, and this is essentially a catalyst for evolution as it passes down different DNA sequences from generation to generation. Now we're going to review some terms that you will see when given questions with nucleic acid. A homoplasy refers to a characteristic shared between species but not in their common ancestor, and that signifies evolution. A homologous gene, which refers to a shared ancestry between two different organisms. A paralogous gene, which is a cluster of genes at two different chromosomal locations, but they have since diverged from the common ancestor through a DNA mutation. And lastly, you are going to see conserved sequences, which refers to a DNA sequence that has remained unchanged throughout the course of evolution.